Have you ever seen a mountain that breathes fire? That's a volcano. These incredible natural formations are like Earth's pressure valves, releasing pent-up energy from deep within our planet. Imagine a giant, upside-down ice cream cone with a hole at the top called a crater. This crater is the mouth of the volcano, where all the action happens. Deep inside the Earth, it's hot, hot, hot. The temperatures can reach up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit or more. This intense heat melts rocks, turning them into a thick, flowing substance called magma. Sometimes this hot, melted rock called magma rises up through cracks in the Earth's crust. These cracks are like pathways that allow the magma to move upwards, driven by the immense pressure from below. When the magma reaches the surface, it erupts out of the volcano. This eruption can be explosive, sending ash, gas, and lava high into the sky, or it can be a slow, steady flow of lava. Magma that erupts is called lava. Once it reaches the surface, it cools and hardens, forming new rock. Lava is red hot and glows like fire. It can be mesmerizing to watch, but it's also incredibly dangerous. It flows down the sides of the volcano like a river of fire. This flow can destroy everything in its path, but it also creates new land as it cools and solidifies. Volcanoes are amazing and powerful forces of nature. They remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. They can be dangerous, but they also help create new land. Over time, volcanic eruptions can build mountains, form islands, and create fertile soil that supports plant life. Let's learn more about these fiery mountains. From their formation to their impact on the environment, volcanoes have a fascinating story to tell. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of volcanoes.
Not all volcanoes are the same. Some volcanoes are active. That means they erupt often. Active volcanoes are like grumpy giants that could wake up any time. Other volcanoes are dormant. Dormant means sleeping. They haven't erupted for a long time, but they still could erupt in the future. And some volcanoes are extinct. Extinct means they will never erupt again. These volcanoes are like sleepy giants taking a very, very long nap. They're safe to climb on and explore. Let's take a peek inside Earth to see how volcanoes are formed. The process is fascinating and begins deep within our planet. Deep down, our planet is like a giant oven, with temperatures reaching thousands of degrees. The Earth's crust is broken into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are like the cracked shell of a hard-boiled egg. These plates are always moving, very, very slowly, like giant puzzle pieces floating on hot pudding. This movement is driven by the intense heat from the Earth's core. Sometimes these plates bump into each other. When they collide, it can cause earthquakes and volcanic activity. When they do, one plate can slide under the other in a process called subduction. This pushes hot magma up towards the surface. Magma is molten rock that forms in the mantle, the layer beneath the crust. When the pressure gets too high, boom! The magma erupts out of a volcano with incredible force. The magma, now called lava, spews out of the volcano and flows down its sides. Over time, the lava cools and hardens, forming a cone-shaped mountain. This process can take years, even centuries. That's how a volcano is born. Each eruption adds new layers of lava, building the volcano higher and higher. The landscape around a volcano can change dramatically with each eruption, creating new landforms and altering ecosystems. There are different types of volcanoes, including shield volcanoes, which have gentle slopes, composite volcanoes, which are steeper and more explosive, and cinder cone volcanoes, which are the smallest and simplest. Some volcanoes even form islands, like the Hawaiian Islands, which were created by volcanic activity over millions of years. Volcanic landscapes are some of the most unique and dynamic places on Earth, with lava fields, craters, and hot springs. Scientists study volcanoes to understand their behavior and to predict future eruptions. This research helps to protect communities living near active volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions are powerful reminders of the dynamic nature of our planet. They show us the incredible forces at work beneath our feet. Despite their destructive power, volcanoes also create new land and provide rich soil for plant life. They are a testament to the ever-changing Earth. So next time you see a volcano, remember the incredible journey of magma from deep within the Earth to the surface. It's a journey that shapes our world in profound ways. Volcanoes don't always erupt in the same way. Some eruptions are effusive, like when you pour juice from a pitcher. The lava flows out slowly and steadily. Other eruptions are explosive, like when you shake up a soda bottle and it bursts open. Explosive eruptions are much more dangerous. They can blast out hot rocks, ash, and gas high into the air. These eruptions can be very loud and scary, like a giant sneeze. Section 5. Shaping the land. Volcanic landforms. Volcanoes don't just erupt, they also create. When lava cools and hardens, it forms all sorts of amazing landforms. The most famous volcanic landform is a crater. A crater is a big bowl-shaped hole at the top of a volcano. Some volcanoes have huge craters called calderas. Calderas are so big that you could fit an entire city inside. Volcanoes also create lava flows, which look like rivers of black rock. And when ash from an eruption falls to the ground, it can create new land. Section 6. When volcanoes erupt. The good and the bad. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring natural phenomena on Earth. They have the ability to shape landscapes, create new land, and even influence the climate. But with this power comes both benefits and dangers. Volcanic eruptions can be scary, but they are also an important part of nature. When a volcano erupts, it can be a spectacular sight, with molten lava shooting into the sky and ash clouds billowing out. However, these eruptions can also be incredibly dangerous. The intense heat and force of an eruption can cause widespread destruction. Hot lava can burn down forests and destroy homes. The lava flows can move quickly, engulfing everything in their path. This can lead to the loss of wildlife habitats and the displacement of communities. The destruction caused by lava is often irreversible, leaving a lasting impact on the environment and the people who live there. Ash clouds can make it hard to breathe and can even block out the sun. The fine particles of ash can travel great distances, affecting air quality and causing respiratory problems for people and animals. In some cases, the ash can be so thick that it creates a temporary darkness, disrupting daily life and making it difficult to see. But volcanoes can also be helpful. Despite the destruction they can cause, volcanic eruptions also bring new life to the land. The ash and lava that are expelled during an eruption are rich in minerals and nutrients, which can rejuvenate the soil and create fertile land for plants to grow. The ash from eruptions is full of nutrients that make the soil fertile, perfect for growing crops. Farmers in volcanic regions often benefit from the rich soil, which can produce abundant harvests. This fertile land can support a variety of crops, providing food and livelihoods for local communities. Volcanic heat can also be used to create geothermal energy, a clean and sustainable source of power. Geothermal energy harnesses the heat from beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity and provide heating. This renewable energy source is environmentally friendly and can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. So, while we need to be careful around volcanoes, it's important to remember that they play an important role in our planet's ecosystem. Scientists study volcanoes to better understand their behavior and to develop early warning systems that can save lives. Educating people about the benefits and risks of volcanoes can help communities prepare for eruptions and make the most of the resources that volcanoes provide. Section 7. Famous volcanoes around the world. There are volcanoes all over the world. Some of them are very famous. Mount Vesuvius in Italy is a famous volcano that erupted a long, long time ago, burying the Roman city of Pompeii under ash. In the United States, Mount St. Helens is a famous volcano that erupted in 1980. It was a very powerful eruption, but thankfully, scientists had warned people to evacuate so no one was hurt. Section 8. Volcanoes in Myths and Legends. For centuries, people have told stories about volcanoes. In ancient Roman mythology, the god Vulcan was the blacksmith of the gods. He was said to live inside a volcano and create weapons for the gods using fire and lava. In Polynesian mythology, the goddess Pele is the goddess of fire, lightning, wind, and volcanoes. She is a powerful and respected goddess who is said to control the volcanoes of Hawaii. Section 9. Exploring Volcanoes. A world of discovery. Volcanoes are fascinating places to explore. Scientists called volcanologists study volcanoes to learn more about how they work. They use special tools to measure the temperature of lava and to predict when eruptions might occur. Some people even like to climb volcanoes. It's important to only climb extinct volcanoes and to go with an experienced guide. From the top of a volcano, you can see amazing views of the surrounding landscape. Section 10. Fun facts about volcanoes. Here are some fun facts about volcanoes. The tallest volcano on Earth is Mauna Kea in Hawaii. It's taller than Mount Everest if you measure it from its base on the ocean floor. The largest volcano in our solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Some volcanoes erupt with mud instead of lava. These are called mud volcanoes. The sound of a volcano erupting can be heard for hundreds of miles. Volcanoes are amazing and powerful forces of nature. They remind us that our planet is alive and constantly changing.
Section 11. Conclusion. The fiery breath of Earth. Volcanoes are like the fiery breath of Earth, reminding us of the incredible power that lies beneath our feet. They can be destructive, but they also create new land and provide us with valuable resources. By learning about volcanoes, we can better understand our planet and appreciate the awesome forces that have shaped it over millions of years. So next time you see a picture of a volcano, remember the amazing power and beauty of these fiery mountains. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational and fun content just like this. We carefully craft each video to ensure it's not only fun and engaging, but also promotes positive values and critical thinking skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next adventure.